All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 30, and we're at the moment in a 4K 30. Wide angle lens, video stabilization test, vlogging style, if you want to vlog from those cameras. This is how it's going to look like. Let me stop for a bit. Alright. Switching to the main. Oh, switching. Not smooth at all. Running a bit. And telephotos. 2, 3, 10. This is all electronic zoom, no periscope. Very blurry. Alright, what about macro? Wide angle lens, not available. Damn, really? Alright, another side. Autofocus test. It's quick. The video feels very jittery, like I edit the video wrongly, but that's not the case. You know what is happening? Because this smartphone doesn't have any animation between wide angle and regular lens, is useless for video. Let me show it to you. Starting with a proper smartphone, a very simple task. Simple, proper smartphone. And now with the A55. It's useless. If you want to vlog from the main lens, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging style. And front-facing camera. Samsung has that really cool feature that you can switch lenses during the recording, front and back. Even with the A series, and just like, and we're on the other side. And again, bam, that's how quick it is. I like this a lot. This is one of the best features in any smartphone's camera. Full length of my arm. Oh, it's making that bokeh effect. I didn't turn on any feature for that. All right. Wow. Autofocus test. Not available. Ouch. Ouch. All right. What else do we have in this smartphone? Portrait, which will imitate the full frame camera. It's a, oh, because I do that. It's also a cool feature for the Samsungs. All right, you can go wide angle. You can go 16:9 if you wanted to. In the photo department, we have 12, we have 32. Sorry, I'm blocking the camera. Maybe if I switch to, yeah, this will be a better choice. 50 megapixel, wow. Bam. Oh, we have a beautiful sun. Nice. But only by 4:3. Oh, we can do 16:9 and 50 megapixel. That is very nice. All right, how much zoom are we going to have? But we cannot do it in 50 megapixel. We have to do it in 12. And we're going to have a 10x, but it's also electronic one. It's not great. Everything above 4, it's like blurry. Anyway, oh, what was that? Video, like I said, only 30 frames per second. There's also a running mode, steady mode, so it will steady the video. But it's in full HD, come on. Come on, no one cares about full HD in 2024. At least I... can you add the microphone like in a... You cannot? Like in an S series? No? What the hell? Seriously? That's not great at all. Hyperlapse, dual record. And in a dual recording, you can film with 2 cameras at the same time. You can put it whatever you like. You can switch. Nice animation. Do it like this. Do it like this. It's pretty cool for vlogging stuff. But it's limited to 4K 30. At least I think so. Anyway. Pictures. Vlogging style. Is this going to work? Full length of my arm. I'm barely in the frame. Barely. If I wanted to show something behind me, I mean, you could, but it's a bit narrow. It is. I think no one cares about the video, so let's photo. Wow, what a delicious cake. I'm getting hungry watching that cake. Damn, it is a good photo. That cake was awesome. I think tomorrow I'm going there to get another slice. It was brilliant. But is it oversaturating the image? Yes, it is. Like most of the Samsungs do. That red is not supposed to be so red. It's like too red. Those guys are too yellow. They look funny, but they're too yellow. Oh, this is semi-accurate, but a lot of noise. Look at that women jacket, or whatever that is. Like, a lot of noise. Tons of it. Okay, we had artificial light, but still. Selfie? Ooh, a lot of noise. Maybe another one. Fairly decent. It's okay, I guess. Okay, what about zoom? Wait, that wide angle photo is terrible. Let's see a blob. This is the regular lens. A lot of noise. Telephoto. Oof. It doesn't have a periscope zoom, so yeah. Again, a little bit of colors. Oof. Strongly oversaturated. Strongly. At night, fairly decent. You know what? I've seen better in old flagships, like really old one. I think I will compare this smartphone to my Galaxy S21. Wow, why is everything so blue? Wow. It's terrible. It is. Top with the torture. What an experience. That's one of the worst camera on this channel. Wow. But everything could be fixed in firmware. Yes, my friend. This is all fixable. I'm curious why they didn't launch the smartphone with the proper firmware. Maybe they hurried with the launch, probably. Most likely they hurried with the launch and the developers didn't make it on time. But the next update should fix that. At least I hope so. Because at the moment, it is terrible. And that's a fact. At least for me. Thanks for watching and see you next video.